Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. And this video is being filmed in the holidays, during the holiday period of 2020, just about into 2021. And I think what we're seeing, I know what we're seeing with the San Diego jails and our clients and those who have loved ones that are in custody right now awaiting trial or awaiting resolution of their case, or maybe serving a local jail sentence. It's very difficult to see the numbers in the jails that we're seeing of those people in custody who have been infected and certainly are currently infected with COVID. There was an article that came out late last week that talked about 11% of the active inmate population. I think it's somewhere around like 3,500 inmates or so is what San Diego County jails can hold. 11%. So that's like 400, 350 to 400 people are currently infected with COVID. And that is an alarming number, because it's so much higher than what we're dealing with in the public, right? And as anyone knows, anyone who's been to jail, whether voluntary or involuntarily, I've been there both ways in the last 18 years of my life. You know that medical conditions are inadequate in jail. You know that sanitary conditions are inadequate in jail. And if ever the place that you don't want to be, if you're sick or in the middle of a global pandemic like we've witnessed since March of 2020, at least as it relates to criminal courts in San Diego, you don't want to be in jail right now if you could avoid it. Obviously, I know that's easier said than done. So, what are we doing about it, right? What is my firm doing about it? What is the San Diego communities doing about it? Well, my firm's trying to do our part. I mean, we were doing jail visits through the latter part of November, and then we sort of slowed down and stopped that because, our approach is, hey, we don't want to bring in something if we're, God forbid, carrying something into the jail and knowing that it's not just going to be able to be isolated and be dealt with. And the other factor is, we are able to work on our clients' cases at a very high level from our offices, from our homes, and we can continue to help out our clients that way in ways that we wouldn't be able to do, quite frankly, if we ourselves got infected because of an outbreak at the jail. So we're sort of laying low from the jail visits, trying to up our communication with our clients by way of phone. I know video chat's an option, although not a very effective one for a number of reasons. What we tell our clients' families is difficult sometimes, where we tell them, hey, we haven't had contact with your loved one in a week or a week and a half. And it could be because they're in isolation. It could be because they just can't get access to the phones. It could be because they're sick, and due to privacy laws and all that stuff at the jail, it's very difficult sometimes to get information. But it's now is more important than ever to try and give that information, to get as much information as we can, and to disseminate that to our family, to our clients' families, to our clients, and obviously up our communication. So, if you have any questions about how San Diego is dealing with the jails, the Sheriff's Department's dealing with the jails, for better or worse, as we get into the early part of 2021, feel free to give my office a call. We'll do what we can to help you. 619-295-3555.